I got something in the mail today, all the way from the UK. I think I know what's inside, and I'm super excited.
Welcome to Davinci Resolve.
The studio version of Davinci Resolve 16. I've been using the great Davinci Resolve video editing suite for about a year now. I started with the free version because it gave me all the features that I needed for small-scale YouTube projects. However, I was considering buying the full version, but it costs about $300 and it kept me away. Davinci Resolve has a steep learning curve, especially if you had no previous experience with serious video editors. So sometimes I do have to go to YouTube and check a few things. And there are, fortunately, a lot of excellent YouTube tutorial channels. The other day, as I was searching for an answer to one of my questions concerning Davinci Resolve, I came across the tutorial channel of Alex Cameron. Alex is a certified Davinci Resolve trainer, and he has excellent videos. He explains everything that you really need to know. I watched the particular video in which he was speaking about the subject I wanted to learn of. Then I decided to go on, and I watched the next one and the next one, and I subscribed and I hit the notification bell as well. A couple of minutes later the same day, Alex posted a new video, and in that video he mentioned that he wants to give away a Davinci Resolve studio license. So I decided to play along. And to my surprise, a couple of days later I got an email from him saying that I had won.
Here we go. Draw's in place. Hopefully you're in it and you're going to win a copy of this, in fact, copy here. It'll be wiped down in anti-bat, so it's not any problem. Oh, Shavesh is looking good for you, my friend. Oh, Christian, well done. Well done indeed, Christian. Round of applause. Brilliant stuff. So Christian, I've got your emails, I've got your details. This is your copy. Congratulations. Thank you for entering. It'll be winging its way to you. In fact, what I'll do is I'll just email you to make sure I've got the right address to send it to. But otherwise, that's yours. Well done. Thank you very much indeed.
And it arrived today. I can't even remember when I last won anything. Half jokingly, I would say that Alex's channel has given me the most value. And I do not only mean the $300 worth Davinci Resolve studio license, but I also mean the content that he has given us. So please subscribe to Alex's channel. So let's see if I can install it.